Welcome to the program Improving Thinking Skills the M.M. Patel Way. In this program, we will understand concepts related to thinking skills, measurement of thinking skills using well-defined parameters, methods and techniques of improving thinking skills, and finally, exercises to improve thinking skills. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos. Now we come to measurement of first attribute, that is thinking speed or thinking fluency. Before we move ahead, a small note. You will now undergo exercises involving writing. Keep about 10 A4 size papers and pen ready. Now the exercise for measuring your thinking speed. Let's undergo a small test. Take an A4 size plain paper and keep pen or pencil to write. A topic will be given to you. You are required to write as many words as possible related to the topic in 4 minutes time. Please keep in mind the following points. You should not write phrases or sentences. Your ideas should be expressed in terms of words only. Next, as thinking is faster than writing, while writing words, do not focus on language. You can write in any language. You can write in more than one language. You should not worry about translating the word into English. Do not focus on handwriting. This is not handwriting test. You are supposed to write maximum possible words and therefore do not focus on handwriting. At the same time, do not focus on spelling. Spelling is not important over here. The number of ideas in terms of number of words are important. Do not write two words together. This will block your thinking. I will give an example. If you write good boy, the next possible phrase will be a bad boy. Don't write good boy. Write good, and then you will find that you will have lot of things in this world which are good, like boy, girl, farmer, doctor, professor, health, money, and therefore don't write good boy. Write good and find out what good things are there. Similarly, don't write good boy, instead write boy. Once you write boy, many words will come in your mind. After boy, you may write girl, you may write man, you may write woman, you may write a lot of words. Your focus should be to write maximum number of words. Do not number the words. We will count the numbers after 4 minutes. Get ready now. The topic is cinema. Your paper would look like this. Now you have got 4 minutes to write as many words as possible on the topic cinema, which will come to your mind. Now stop the video and put it on after 4 minutes. You might have included words like this: actors, photographer, shooting, songs, history, soundless, and similar words. Assuming someone has written 70 words which are shown over here in 4 minutes time. Now if you compare the words written by you and the words shown over here, you will be able to compare the thinking speed and you will be able to evaluate and measure your thinking speed too. Now count the number of words you have written. As we have already discussed, you can compare the numbers with the number shown or with other participants. The number of words measure the first dimension of thinking, that is your thinking speed. I have seen participants writing more than 60 words in 4 minutes time. However, 40 to 50 words would be considered a good score to begin with. And even if you have written only 20 words, you need not worry. With a bit of practice, you will reach 50 words in 4 minutes very easily. Now we have measured the first dimension of thinking, that is thinking speed. Now let us understand the definition. Thinking speed means that in a given time, you should be able to generate a number of ideas on a given topic. You need to think fast and fluently to achieve this. The number of words you have written on cinema indicates your thinking speed. The higher the number, higher is the thinking speed. As already discussed, you can compare the number of words written by you and other participants. Did you notice the difference? To measure your thinking speed, we have one more exercise. Take an A4 size plain paper, draw circles as shown. Now, write names of articles which can be drawn using a circle. You have 4 minutes time. Your objective is to write as many names as possible. Now stop the video for 4 minutes and complete the exercise. You might have written sun, moon, earth, spectacle, food items like bread, ball, clock, window, bag, flowers, body parts like face, eyes, etc., household objects like mirror, stool, etc., electrical items like bulb, socket, etc. You may compare the words and number of words written by different participants. We have got a reasonably fair idea about thinking speed. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on improving thinking skills the MM Patel way.